Hello guys, my name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about the topic, name is plumbing. Okay, so the plumbing is one of the very mandatory experiment in this workshop practices laboratory. So the workshop practices laboratory is nothing but previously we known as engineering practices laboratory. So this particular experiment in that particular laboratory is very mandatory. Why I just want to telling like this? So because the plumbing it is the that topic itself there are main applications of in our day-to-day life, in our home needs or whatever the places. The plumbing is one of the very crucial area. Okay, without plumbing there is no such a lot of lots and lots of application it will be there. So for that particular topic, core topic, so our students will discuss it, about this particular topic, how their and its importance of this plumbing. Okay, our students will from the CSC department, Ms. Tejaswini, Shashmita, Divagar, and Sri Dharani will going to explain about this process under discussion.
This is Divagar from SNS College of Technology. Comes from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So we have taken the project of plumbing. Comes under the design thinking project under the topics of empathy, ideate, empathy, define, ideate, and then prototype. At last, this thing. First of all, empathy part is taken by the Tejaswini.
Okay, hi all, I'm Tejaswini. I'm going to explain about the empathy part. Why should we need plumbing is what the empathy holds up. There is no access for clean water in the village sites or even in the city sites. It is developing slowly. Okay. Then people have to walk to long distance to fetch waters, and there is no proper containers to hold the normal waters. Since water is essential for drinking, bathing, and etc. for day-to-day lives, without any proper containers, it is affected for the peoples to store water. Even if people used to store water in uncontaminated, since water is unsafe, it is contaminated. It causes problems like cholera or typhoid to the peoples, and it affects the people health in worst ways. It causes environmental damages since normal water and sewage water get mixed up and it creates foul smells. And it causes building damages due to the leakage of roofs.
Next, different one, which is a summary of the empathy. Mainly flow of water from one part of the things to another part of the thing. It is mainly need of plumbing, and the main necessity is in drainage the leakage of water. So we need to plumb the pipes and elbows to in shower. If the breakage is happen in the shower, the main thing is needed is plumbing, and then mainly in wash basins. When we are cleaning the wash basins, the damage will occur soon. So we need to plumb the things and soon. Next, the ideate part is taken.
Okay. Ideate is something we have to find solution for the problems we have discussed. The only solution that we can see is plumbing. Plumbing is the system of maintaining or repairing the things. Plumbing is the system of maintaining, repairing the pipes. There are two types of plumbing: single tap plumbing and multi tap plumbing. Single tap will be explained by Diva.
In single tap, we use the bend T and then valve and then at last tap. In single tap system, we use the only flow is used for change the direction of the water flow in the buildings or some other places in office areas or drainages, and T is used for the multi-tap systems with for the three flow directions. At last, the valve is used for the adjustment of the waters, which we can lower the pressure and high the pressure. And next, the multi-tap system is
Multi-tap is nothing but there will be multiple taps connected to a single tap through which multiple direction of flow of water can be found. The notable thing of multi-tap system is there should be a proper connection of diameters in the pipes. The tools used in the multi-taps are elbow, bend, T-joint, valve, or etc. The elbow is used to connect two different pipes and the water pressure will not be low in the elbow, whereas bend, water pressure will be low in bend. A T-joint is used to connect 3 pipes and it is used to change the direction of the water. Then 4-way water system through which the water will be flow in 4 direction. Wrench. Through wrench, pipe can be cut off into different types and it can be joined with the help of elbow or bend. And another is plug and dummy. Through plug and dummy, we can close. It is a temporary closing of something of the water pipes.
Next, advantage of the single tap system and multi tap system. First, the advantage of single tap system is mainly it is the installing usage is so simple installation, and then cost effective. Fewer materials is required for a single system, and only the disadvantage of the single tap system is not hot water is applicable for the single tap system, and multi tap system we used in the buildings to flow through the all other rooms and etc. Mainly it can flow hot waters and cold waters both.
Disadvantages mainly include it have high installation and maintenance cost through which cannot be installed by normal people, and corrosion may happen over time which is not advisable at any cost. Water leakage and damage which affects the pipes and the surroundings of the environment. Conclusion. By concluding this part, we have summarized what we have seen. Plumbing, which is a very important thing in modern day-to-day life. It provides safe water supply, and it helps to prevent diseases like cholera and typhoid, etc. So, at the end of the conversation or the group discussion, we can conclude that plumbing is very essential for modern surviving in this world.
Thank you students. It's a very great discussion about this particular topic, plumbing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.